Hey everyone, what's up? This is me Kate and I'm back with another tutorial videos today, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So if you are having trouble with this error, make sure to watch till the end, follow the steps. Now let's get started. Basically you get an Snapchat support code SS06 when you try to log into your Snapchat account multiple times, or when your account is getting hacked by any hackers. So in that case you will get an Snapchat error support code SS06. So in order to solve that problem, there are few steps you can try. First one, what you can do is just wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then try logging in again, and make sure that you have your internet connection on your device. You can try it another way by turning off your Wi-Fi connection on your device and try it with mobile data so that you have your new connection. And if it didn't help again, the next step you can do is just press your Snapchat account and go for app information, uninstall it again and try installing it again after a few minutes and try logging in into your Snapchat account again. So guys, you can try out these steps to fix this error. I hope this video helped you, and if you made it till the end, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like the video, and if you have any question regarding our video, please drop down below. We will highly appreciate that. And if you made it till the end, thank you for watching again.